Welcome back to the hovel. I'm the Veg Mage, and today I'm making some plant labels out of upcycled aluminum cans. Each can is going to make 2 labels. So first you want to cut both ends off. Sometimes it's easier to get it started with the razor blade and then continue with the scissors. The little rounded part here, you don't want that. You want to cut it right where it's flat, otherwise it warps it. And now I'm gonna split it in half. I was using jumbo popsicle sticks before this, and they work great, but they tend to break down pretty much after one year. So I'm hoping to find something a little more long-lasting, but also avoiding plastic in the garden wherever I can. I just looked around the house and thought, what do I have that I can upcycle? Then you fold it long ways, hot dog style, as they say. And you can actually stop here and you have a pretty good label that will stick right in, and you'll have a good chunk left out. Or you can do a bit of a paper airplane type fold, and that'll get you more of a point at the bottom. Not too bad. Definitely a little bit of an upgrade from the first try here. All right, now that I have the labels ready, I'm going to copy down the names of the vegetables. We got labels in, and there's a couple little sprouts already growing. I'm excited to keep everyone updated on how these things grow. I'll be making videos on that in the future. And thank you for watching.